Let's look at the first problem from the homework. It says the output is 4 times the input. And just as a reminder, your input, those are your x values. Your output, those are your y values. So the output, so we'll go y, is going to be equals 4 times the input. So 4 times x, or y equals 4x. Let's look at number 2. The output, so that's y, is, so that's equals, 8 less than the input. 8 less than what? 8 less than the input. So we would have y equals x minus 8. On number 3, we're going to be plugging in 12 for x. So all we do is take this 12, and it's going to go in for x. So we're just going to put it right there. So I would have y is equal to 12 divided by 3, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. Over here at 4, we're going to be plugging in 2 for x. So it's going to go right there. Y is equal to 5 times 2 plus 9. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 9 is going to be 19. And that's how you do 3 and 4. For question number 5, it says, you set up a hot chocolate stand at a football game. The cost of your supplies is $75. You charge 50 cents for each cup of hot chocolate. Write a function that represents the profit, P, for selling C cups of hot chocolate. So we know our profit is going to be when we have when we start making money, and we know that we're only going to be making money back when we sell 0.5 C, that 50 cents per cup. But we do have a negative charge. We have a negative charge of 75. You could also write this as P equals half C minus 75. So that's how we would write the function. You will break even when the cost of your supplies equals your income. How many cups of chocolate do you have to make in order to break even? So basically, they want to know when P is going to be 0. 0 is equal to 1/2 C minus 75. So what we need to do is we need to solve for C. So how do we get rid of this negative 75? We're going to add 75 to both sides. So now I have 75 is equal to 1/2 C. How do we get rid of this variable, this what we call a coefficient? How do we get rid of this coefficient when it's a half? We're going to multiply by the reciprocal, or the reciprocal. So what's the reciprocal of 1/2? Well, it's 2. And we're going to multiply both sides by 2. So 2 times 75 is going to be 150. And half of 2 is 1. And so the answer is, how many cups of chocolate must you sell to break even? The answer is you have to sell 150 cups. And that's how you would complete this homework assignment.